Show up to your interview ready to impress with up-to-date information about your interviewer, the firm, and current events. Before any meeting or interview, it is essential that you research the specific employer to learn more about its areas of practice and workplace culture. Lexis Plus has the tools you need to stand out from the crowd. From the Lexis Plus homepage, search the name of the individual attorney or the name of the firm. To search for an attorney, use the /to connector between the attorney's first and last name. This connector allows you to retrieve results that include the attorney's middle name, middle initial, maiden name, etc. To research a firm, simply go to the search bar and type the name of the firm in quotation marks. Use the Cases category to familiarize yourself with the recent and significant cases the firm has worked on. Click Sort By at the top right to view the most recent cases, newest to oldest. To focus on cases involving a specific office, narrow by jurisdiction under the court filter. Use the Practice Area and Topics feature to focus on your specific area of interest. Or use the Attorney filter to learn about specific lawyers in the firm. Note that Lexis Plus already suggests top attorneys to search. Use the News or Legal News categories to read recent newspaper articles, blogs, and more about the firm or attorney you are interviewing with. Search within results to hone in on specific topics of interest. Use the Sort By drop-down menu to easily identify the most recent articles. Once you've reviewed the contents and selected your filters in Cases, News, and Legal News, be sure to set up an alert so you're updated automatically when new results are added. Simply click the bell icon at the top of the page to set up your alert. The pop-up window allows you to customize your alert settings. Under Title, customize the title of your alert. Content Types allows you to select all the categories you wish to monitor, such as cases, news, and legal news. My Alert Delivery allows you to choose how you want to be notified when your alert is run. Selecting On Lexis Plus Only will allow you to see alerts under the bell icon when you log into Lexis Plus. If you wish to also receive email notifications when your alert is run, select On Lexis Plus and Email. Frequency allows you to customize how often you want the alert to be run, and Expiration allows you to set a custom time frame for your alert. Once you've made all your selections, select Create Alert. Your alert is now saved, and Lexis Plus will run this search continuously and notify you of the newest results to make sure that you remain up to date and in the know. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, reach out to your Lexis rep to schedule a training session or contact customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-800-45-LEXIS.